In this video, we are going to learn how to select data in Excel worksheet. So there are many shortcuts and tricks. We are going to elaborate on that. First, if we place our cursor on any active cell, we can see there is a plus sign here, white plus sign. This is called selection tool. And there are another two types of plus signs in Excel. If you look in here, this is one kind of Excel cursor plus sign, and another is when you like place the cursor on the bottom of an active cell. It shows a very narrow type of plus sign. You see, and this plus sign is called move tool. So this is an important function, like any selection for any selecting tool, because you can just drag one active cell from its current location to another location like this. We can drag it back to its previous place like this. And if we have any anomaly of any data, we can just remove from one place to another quickly. Okay, and then this this selection tool is called fill handle. This plus sign, when we locate the cursor at the very right end of an active cell, we get this black plus sign. This is called fill handle. This is a very important function in Excel worksheet. When we press this fill handle, it just replicates the cell to the bottom cells, all the cells in the current column. So this is a very important function for even when we formulate any formula in future. We'll show you when we formulate any formula, we can just click this fill handle twice and it will fill up the whole section of the column. This is very handy when we work a big data set and we have to calculate many calculations on a single row or column. So these are the three kind of selection bar. And like when we try to select a single cell, we can use this our mouse cursor, the left button, by pressing once here like this, once, only once. And if we want to select a certain portion of a data set, we can just click our left button of the mouse, press the control button on the keyboard and hold it like this. It will select only that portion you want. And this is a very effective way to select a very particular section of a data set. And you know, when you work on a smaller data set like this, it's easier, but when it's bigger, large, this kind of function is helpful and handy to just quickly drag and select. Another important function using the keyboard is when we place our mouse cursor and select a cell, and keeping the cell here selected here, and we want to select the whole this data section, we can press Control on the keyboard and A. So Control A, just press Control A while keeping the active cell on any cell here, while keeping it active. So Control A, it will select the whole area. Okay, this is very important and handy. And another way of selecting column, like if we are choosy and we want to select only a certain number of column, we can just press here and press control bar on the mouse, on the keyboard, and while keeping the control button pressed, we can just uh, click our desired column like this. So you see only column A and D is selected. We can add more column here like this. So these two column is not selected, but the other three is selected. So like this we can be choosy and select only a particular a row, even like row number 3 we have selected, and keeping the control button we can select row number 7 as well. So like this. So okay, these are all the things, shortcuts and tricks and tips, and another last tips here. If we want to select the whole worksheet, we can just press this triangle section here, and it will select all the worksheet which on we are working. So that's all for this video. Thank you.